back with another video. Today's video, I will be covering the top 5 best dropshipping niches in 2020, heading to the end of 2019. Definitely make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video. I'm going to show you some evergreen niches, meaning that they sell 365 days out of the year. You'll always be profitable, and there's always a passionate audience awaiting the products that you have to offer. If you enjoyed this video during any part of while I'm creating this, definitely show your boy some love. Leave a like. It's not a like, this is just me making circles for the video, but leave a like for the video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them along with this video. Sorry, I'm a little rusty. I've been away for a while, but I'm back. I'm back to it. So, let's get into it. The first niche that I have for you is the baby niche. Let me move that so you can see. Yup. So, there will always be a demand for baby products. There's no seasonal gap. This is an evergreen niche. 365 days out of the year, there's products in demand. The baby niche is in constant demand for new and upcoming products for problem solving, general ways that help out parents. We are targeting a passionate audience within the baby niche. That is the first niche that I recommend to you heading into 2020, going to the end of 2019. The next niche that I have for you is beauty and cosmetics niche. Now, here's why I chose the beauty and cosmetic niche. Works great with Instagram influencers, along with great profit margins, simple products, along with a massive audience who's passionate about their looks and skin. If you're familiar with Kylie Jenner, she has one of the biggest e-commerce stores, let alone makeup niche brands in the whole world with Kylie Cosmetics. She's the youngest billionaire with her e-commerce business selling only makeup. There will always be new and trending products in the beauty and cosmetic niche. That's a lot of people who's willing to want and overall younger. So, moving on to the next niche that I have for you is, ignore that, that's just an update for my computer. I have the pet niche. The pet niche is a very passionate audience with different products. The audience are willing to spend their money on their beloved pets, especially dog owners and cat owners, and general gadgets that their products may enjoy to make their pet's life a better life. I'm sure quite a few of you are passionate about your pets as well, whether you have a dog, cat, bird, hamster, fish, etc. You must love them and take care of them the best that you can and love them to death. What's great about this niche is our customers will never be saturated or satisfied and will continue spending more money on their animals. Moving along to the fourth niche. I know my circles are crooked, but too bad, too sad. Brings us to the health and fitness niche. A huge benefit with the health and fitness niche is videos can be structured phenomenally and become very successful. It's an evergreen niche, so products are in demand 365 days out of the year. To be successful in this niche, we should focus on hitting on the main pain points. Everyone wants to improve their appearance, to improve confidence. Regardless, every individual motivation, they want to do this the easiest way possible. This niche will be around for the next coming decade, especially around New Year's, where people will want to be committed to a New Year's resolution to lose weight, have a better physique. There's so many innovations for this niche that there will be a constant demand and a constant new product outline, which brings us to niche number 5. This is one that you probably didn't expect from me. We have the phone accessories niche. Now, the phone accessories niche is one of the biggest niches to get in. It's highly contested with a lot of competition in this niche, meaning there's an audience awaiting products that you can sell because the phone accessories are so cheap for us to buy. We can sell them off. We can sell them very conveniently. This is a highly demanded niche. A lot of new drop shippers are making money by spotting new trends. Let me give you an example. The iPhone 11 just came out, so new drop shippers are researching phone cases for the new iPhone 11 that are released and are selling them to begin marketing while the opportunity is hot in demand. With new video ad concepts to be one of the first few people, you can be one of the first few people on the market to capitalize on this new trend. This is why this niche is phenomenal. We can sell this off to a broad audience, to a lot of people, because people are always interested in new gadgets and accessories for their phone. For Samsung phones, iPhones, or Android phones for the holiday, this is a small gift customers can afford in general that they can give away to about anyone. And these are the 5 niches that I have for you. Definitely show this video a like. Leave me any question, comments, or concern that you have. Let me know which of these 5 niches will you be headed into. Unless you're a general store, then you're more than welcome to take on all 5 niches, though I don't recommend that. But I do recommend testing out a bunch of different products before you decide just to go all in on one niche. Subscribe to the channel if this is your first time coming across my video. I appreciate you staying all the way to the end. Hit that notification bell, and this has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. I'll see you in the next video.